Water is very essential for life. No creature can live without water. Rivers are the source of water that supported man from his very early days. But in the various parts of the world today, rivers have either dried up or are badly polluted. The plight of our Kakat River is not any different. Look at its pathetic state today. She has lost her beauty and serenity. She has lost her past glory. We have restored her lost charm. Let us work hard towards this end. Let this be our mission. Let this be our goal. Long live Kakat River.
Oh, good, very.
ശൈലിയുടെ പൊല്യൂഷൻ ഇല്ലാത്ത മനസ്സിൽ നിന്ന് വന്ന ഈ വാഗ്ധോരണി നമ്മളെ കക്കാട് അമ്മ കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. അയോണ
അയോണ
ഒരു കൈയോട്